Did your Chevy Colorado's camera screen just go black? Don't worry, most fixes are quick and easy. Let's get started. First, make sure your screen isn't just dimmed or turned off. Check the brightness settings on your dashboard display. Still no luck? Clean your camera lens. It could be blocked by dirt or water. Next, shift your truck into reverse. If the camera doesn't turn on, check if the backup camera fuse has blown. You'll find the fuse box under the hood or near the driver's side door. Look for the camera fuse in your owner's manual and replace it if needed. If your screen says no signal, the camera cable might be loose. Carefully open your tailgate and inspect the wiring. Make sure everything's connected. Look out for any damaged wires or corrosion. Lastly, restart your truck. Sometimes, a simple reset fixes the glitch. If none of these steps work, it's probably time to visit your dealership or a trusted mechanic. Fixing your Chevy Colorado camera doesn't have to be complicated. Try these quick checks first and get back on the road with a clear view behind you.